You have never seen a garden like this. Seller of my newest listing spent 25 years thoughtfully perfecting a breathtaking garden filled with thousands of carefully curated plants and flowers. The home sits in a serene neighborhood, just steps from the famous Serra Park near the Cupertino and Los Altos border. It's also a short walk to top-rated Cupertino schools and several shopping centers, including Hollenbeck, Dianza Square, and Homestead the Crossing. All this while being surrounded by major tech campus with easy access to Highway 280, 85, and just minutes from downtown Sunnyvale with its convenient Caltrain connection. Let's go check it out! Welcome home! Red oak hard floors glow with natural light streaming through dual-pane windows and skylights, leading you into a welcoming living room framed with elegant crown molding. The space features peaceful garden views, indoor-outdoor sound system, and one of the home's 2 fireplaces, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Enjoy multiple dining options, from the elegant formal dining room to the sunny kitchen nook, or the gourmet kitchen breakfast bar. The kitchen itself is a dream, showcasing granite countertop, a large island with 1 of 2 sinks, high-end stainless steel appliances, a seamlessly integrated refrigerator, beautiful aged cherry wood cabinetry, and a large pantry make this kitchen both elegant and highly functional. Down the hall are 4 bright bedrooms, each with its own closet, including one featuring a hidden wine closet. A nearby hall bathroom offers a convenient shower tub combo. The luxury private suite features the home's 2nd fireplace, a spacious walk-in closet with custom organizers, and a relaxing spa-like bathroom complete with dual sinks, a jetted tub, a separate two-person shower, and a dedicated towel closet. And now, for the home's greatest prize, the truly spectacular backyard. A spacious deck overlooks a breathtaking, one-of-a-kind garden field with an extraordinary variety of flowers, plants, and fruit trees, all lovingly cultivated over more than 25 years. This lush, vibrant sanctuary offers a rare sense of beauty. That brings my tour to an end. I'm RENNA, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I can't wait to see you this weekend. Bye now.